So you have decided to create a website for your business, and chances are you are going with WordPress for that. So you booked your domain, you got your hosting, you set up your WordPress on the hosting server. But now the question is, how to begin with the website design? Number one, by using ready-made templates. But if you are a non-technical person and building this website for your own business, then there is a big chance that you are going to get overwhelmed with all these themes available in the market. Method number two is that you can go ahead and buy a page builder and build the complete website design as per your need. But once again, you are not a designer, you are building this website for yourself, and that is the hardest part. How do you even start designing your website even if you have all the tools? But there is another way which could solve this problem for you. Let me present ZipWP for you. It's an AI-based tool which can help you create WordPress website in just 1 minute. You heard it right, 1 minute. All you have to do, just click a few buttons, give a quick description about your business, and boom, you are done. And the AI is going to take care of everything. Sounds interesting, isn't it? So let's dive in and try it out. So this is ZipWP.com, and right now it is in the alpha phase. So you can go ahead and enter your details here and join the waitlist. But till then, let me show you the walk around of this tool, how you can use it and what you can expect from this. Right now it is in the very early stages, but the results we are getting are pretty amazing. So I'm already logged in my account, and this is what the dashboard looks like. And as you can see on the very top, it says ZipWP Alpha. And here, if I give you a quick overview about this dashboard, we have 0 out of 3 sites created right now. So I'm considering that you can create 3 websites at a time. And we also have 1 GB space for whatever website we are going to create. And for 3 websites, it's more than enough. After that, we have a team member section where you can invite your team members as well. And on the very top, we have a create new button, using which we can either create a blank WordPress website. So if you want to create a staging site and test out few things, you can do that from here. And then we have the complete website. And that is the hero of this tool, where we are going to use AI to create our complete WordPress website. And this is not going to create a single page, a landing page kind of website. It's going to be a full-fledged multi-page WordPress website. And here we have some integrations. So for the WordPress plugin and the Chrome extension, it's right now saying coming soon. So I'm sure in the future release, we can see a WordPress plugin and a Chrome extension, which can help us build WordPress website using AI. And below that, we have refer friends and get more free sites. So it's a kind of a referral program they might launch in future. And after that, we have a training and help section. So you can use that if in case you need any help. On the left hand side, we have the team section. So we can create a new team or manage the one that we have already created. And after that, we have all sites section. So if I click on this, here it's going to list all the websites that we will be creating using this tool. And below that, we have an option for creating new site, either a blank or a complete WordPress website using AI, and a custom website which says coming soon. So we can expect some new things coming up very soon. And below this, we have an option for permanent sites as well. So maybe in the future, there will be a premium subscription using which you will be able to hold your websites permanently. Because right now, the 3 websites that you're going to create are only going to last for 24 hours. So enough talking. Let's go ahead and get our hands dirty and let's see what kind of WordPress website this AI tool can generate. Alright, so on my dashboard, I'm going to click on create new and then click on complete website. Let's click on this. So we are going to follow these 8 steps to create our final website. So on the first page, we need to select what type of website you want to create. So let's say I want to create a restaurant site, and this is going to be an English website. So I think we can also choose a different language as well. So I'll keep it on English right now and then click on continue. Here we need to enter a business name for our restaurant site. So I'm going to name it Big Fat Bite, and let's go ahead and click on continue. So here is an interesting step where we need to enter the description about our business. And this is the box where we need to enter the detail. We can also see an example text here. But here is an interesting thing. We have write using AI option, which I tested and it's pretty cool. Let's say I don't know what I should write or what should be the professional language about it, but I know my business. So I'm just going to enter a single line description that my business is a food truck. I'm selling Mexican food, examples of some dishes, and that's it. I'm not sure what else I can write, but this is the point where the magic of AI comes in. Let's click on improve using AI. And boom, we have a full description of our business using the one-line description that we have entered. And as you can read here, it did a pretty good job. Once that is done, let's go to the next step. Let's click on continue. Now here it's going to ask us to select some relevant images so that it can use it on the website, and it can also get an idea about what kind of images we want to use on the site. So here it's already selecting food truck, and that is the point where it might require some work as well, because once again it's in the very early stages and it got some issues here. For example, we have selected food truck here, but I cannot select multiple options. Like if I select Mexican cuisine, it's going to select Mexican cuisine only. If I select food truck, it's going to select food truck only. But I really wish if there could be multi-selection option available. Apart from that, if we scroll down, here we have images which are horizontal as well as vertical, and we can change the orientation from here. And for a business website, I don't want portrait images. I only want landscape images. If I select this, I expect that it should only load and select the landscape images. But here I can see some portrait images are also selected. I can go ahead and uncheck them, and maybe I can select some different landscape images, and I'm sure they are already working on this and it's going to get improved in future releases. But this is a cool thing that it's actually pulling some Creative Comma images as per the description given in the previous few steps. So once the images are final, we just go ahead and click on continue, and here we need to enter the business details. So let me just go ahead and enter any random detail here. And I can also enter the social media links, like for Facebook. So let me just go ahead and add my Facebook link here. Maybe I can add Instagram as well. And as soon as I click outside this box, it's going to save this. So now let's go ahead and click on continue. So right now we are in the step number 6, that is design. And here we need to choose the structure of our website. So here we can see a quick preview of what we are going to build, and I can already see it's pretty amazing here. We can mouse over on this and it's going to give us the complete preview here. So we can choose whatever structure we wish to go with, and I think I will go with this one with this dark kind of look. So let me select this. And now if I click on continue, so here we have a congratulations pop-up. We can review all the information here. And as soon as we click on start building our site, it's going to do all the backend magic, and we just need to wait for maybe around 1 minute so that it can finish up all the things. And boom, and it took roughly around 60 seconds actually. So now we have the URL for our website. We have the username and password to log in. So let me just open the website in the front end and see what we got here. And here is a disclaimer screen. We need to type in OK to confirm that this is just a temporary site, not meant for traffic. And this is what we got. We have the brand name here. We have our navigation. We have the reserve now option as well. I'm not sure if it worked with food truck or not, but still it's good to have it here. And it auto-generated a slogan for the hero section. And after that, in our story section, the image of an ice cream might not go well, so we might need to change that. But again, the idea is to give you a first draft for your website that you can customize easily later on. And not just as a first draft, a food truck business owner can just simply replace the images and text and use it as it is. And the navigation menu on the top, it's not just for the sake of it. You can simply click on this and navigate to another page. And surprisingly, it created a sample menu page, maybe because we have selected the website type as restaurant in the beginning. So that's why maybe how it's programmed. If it is something related to restaurant or food, we need to create a menu page as well. And here at the bottom, we have an about section. The location, address and phone number is the one that we have entered in the process. And we have the working hours, we have the social media links. And if I check this, it's actually using the Facebook URL that we have given in the backend. We have also given the Instagram, so it's also using the correct URL, but somehow it also added rest of the other social network links, which we can go ahead and remove them later on the technical part or for the future scope of improvement. If a user have not entered these social media links in the process or in the wizard, then these rest of the links shouldn't be here. But again, it's in the very early stage and I'm sure this can be fixed. or even if it is not, then you can easily remove all this from the backend. And I'll show you in a minute how easy it is. And if I go in the contact section, we have this number and the address that we have given while creating this website, and we also have a contact form. Now once again, for a food business website, this is more than just a first draft. You can simply go ahead and change the images and maybe do some changes in the text, and you are ready to go. Now let's dive in the backend and see what we are built up on. So we come back here and if I click on customize site, so we have our customizer here. So it's not taking us to the actual WordPress backend, it's taking us to the customizer. And here we can change the color palette, maybe we can upload a logo. We can change the typography as well. But in order to deep dive in the backend and do all the WordPress stuff, we can simply log in as any other WordPress website. So here if I click on dashboard here, or maybe you can use the website URL /WP admin, it's going to take you back in the WordPress backend. And with no surprise, I can see Astra here and Spectra page builder. We can see we have the Astra theme installed, and in the plugin section, we have the Spectra and the SVG support plugin. Now, if in case you don't know, this WP zip project is backed by the Astra team. So we know that we are in the safe hands, and that's why we see Astra theme as well as Spectra plugin in there. And if you go in the pages, here we have all the pages that we can customize and do it as per our requirement. Now the good thing here is that as it's backed by Astra and it's using Astra theme in the backend, so we can be sure that it's not going to load unnecessary stuff in the backend. One of my major concerns with this tool was, is it going to use the same template again and again? And I found that it's not the case. So unlike other AI website creation tool, it's not going to use a single template and just throw the content and images on it. So we can say it got some set of templates for some categories, and as soon as the AI detects what kind of website need to be created, it just matches that with the template library that they have assigned and gives you different options for the website structure. And of course, as mentioned before, it's in the very early stages and there is a lot of things that can be done. They're already working on it and improving it every day. And even what we have right now, it is an amazing tool for creating a WordPress website using AI. So let me know what are your thoughts about it. Are you going to use an AI tool to create your WordPress website? Or if you have already used ZipWP, let me know in the comment section what are your thoughts about it. And if in case I have missed anything about this tool, do let us know in the comment section and I'll try to create a separate video for that as well. That's it for this one, and I'll see you in the next video.